Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Sakshi and in this session, we are about to discuss the daily current affairs as on 5th August 2020. Before beginning, as I always tell you, if you're preparing for a defense examination sitting back home, SSB Crack is best option for you. It is a one-stop solution for all the major defense related exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, Territorial Army. For more details, you can always visit our website ssbcrackexams.com. There you'll find the entire package of courses, mock tests, quizzes and study materials. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also download our mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play Store. Let us start with the question of the day from the yesterday's session. So, in the yesterday's session, I asked you, what is the period of 15th Finance Commission? First of all, it was formed on 27 November 2017, right? And the chairman of 15th Finance Commission is Nand Kishore Singh. So every Finance Commission is usually set up for the 5 years, and this Finance Commission, 15th Finance Commission, was set up from 2021 to 2026. And the year has been defined in the annual report 2020 to 2021. Let me tell you, Finance Commission is constituted by the President of India and it is constituted under the Article 280. And Finance Commission is formed mainly to give recommendations on distribution of tax revenues between center and state governments. Okay, it basically gives recommendation for distribution of taxes between center and state governments and also amongst the state themselves. So this 15th Finance Commission was required to submit 2 reports. The first report has the recommendations for the year 2020 to 2021, and the second report will be giving the recommendation for the year 2021 to 2026 period, and that will be submitted by October 30, 2020 this year. Now let me tell you the key recommendations by 15th Finance Commission. These are the major and the most important recommendations, right? The first one being the Commission has reduced the vertical devolution, that is the share of state revenues that center government shares with the state governments. Okay, the revenues, the tax revenues that central government shares with the state government, that has been reduced, and that has been reduced for 1%, right, from 42% to 41%. And this 1% was decreased to provide newly formed union and territories of J&K and Ladakh, and that is to be given from the resources of central governments. Now the second most important recommendation by the Commission is that the Commission has said that it intends to set up an expert group to initiate non-lapsable fund, right? This fund is going to be a non-lapsable fund, and that is to be for defense expenditure. Now this is all about the 15th Finance Commission. Let us start our day with the first article that we have. So first of all, we are going to discuss about EVIN. So recently, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, it has said that EVIN, it has ensured essential immunization services during COVID-19 pandemic. So when we talk about EVIN, it stands for Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. And this particular program is being implemented under National Health Mission, and you all know that National Health Mission, it comes under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So what is EVIN, right? EVIN is an indigenously developed technology system in India. Okay, you need to remember that it is indigenously developed technology system in India, and what it does, it digitizes the vaccine stock. So what they do, they used to make the inventory of the vaccine stocks and all the data into the computer system. That is how it digitizes the vaccine stocks, and also apart from that, it monitors the temperature of cold chains through smartphone applications. And that is how only this particular system has been used for COVID-19 pandemic, and it has ensured the continuation of the essential immunization services, especially protecting the children and pregnant mothers against the vaccine preventable diseases. The vaccine preventable diseases such as rubella and all. So as per the Health Ministry, at present 23,507 cold chain points across the 585 districts of 2 union territories and 22 states have routinely been using EVIN technology, and that too for effective logistic management. Now moving ahead to the next article, SpaceX capsule returns safely to Earth. So the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft, which took 2 astronauts, Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley, on board, it splashed down, it came to Earth, and it was landed on Gulf of Mexico. So it was the first splashdown by USA astronauts in total 45 years. And it was also the first commercially built operated spacecraft to carry people to and from orbit. So let me tell you some of the key points about SpaceX Crew Dragon. First of all, it is a reusable spacecraft. The astronauts, they can use it again to go to the space. Apart from it, it was developed and manufactured by American aerospace manufacturer SpaceX, which is a private company and which was founded in the year 2002 by Elon Musk. So the rocket that carried the spaceship into the orbit, the name of that rocket was Falcon 9, and this entire mission was carried out under the Demo 2 mission of NASA and SpaceX. These astronauts, after 62 days in space and approximately taking 1024 orbits around the planet and 4 spacewalks, they've returned back to the Earth. Now moving ahead to our next article, Sahakar Co-op Tube NCDC channel, it was launched. So our Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Shri Narendra Singh Tomarji, he launched Sahakar Co-op Tube NCDC channel, and this was a new initiative by NCDC, which is also known as National Cooperative Development Corporation. Along with that, he also launched guidance videos that are produced by NCDC, and these guidance videos are produced on formation and registration of cooperative, and that too for 18 different states and in Hindi and some other regional languages. So for your examination point of view, let me tell you what is NCDC. So it is a statutory corporation, which means it was set up under the Act of Parliament, and it was set up on March 13, 1963. The objective of NCDC are planning and promoting programs for production, procurement, marketing, storage, export and import of agricultural produces, industrial goods, livestock, etc. and some other services as well on cooperative principles. Now let's move ahead to our next important update. So 5th August, today, it is the first anniversary of abrogation of Article 370. So yes, last year on this day only, on 5th August 2019, the central government has abrogated Article 370 that gave Jammu and Kashmir a special status, and central government has bifurcated the state into 2 union territories, Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, in which Ladakh became a union territory without a legislature and Jammu and Kashmir became a union and territory with a legislature. So let me tell you in brief about Article 370. So Article 370, it gave Jammu and Kashmir its own constitution and some other decision-making rights for all the matters, barring except for defense, communication and foreign affairs. For these 3 things, the decision was in the hand of central government only. And after the removal, it ended this particular special status for Jammu and Kashmir. So after the bifurcation, the newly elected lieutenant governors are, so for Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Girish Chandra Murmu, he was appointed as lieutenant governor for Jammu and Kashmir, and Radha Krishnan Mathur was appointed as lieutenant governor of Ladakh. Now let me tell you what is the current COVID-19 situation in India. So as per 4th August 2020, the confirmed cases have reached to 18,55,745. The active cases have reached to 5,86,298. The cured cases are now 12,30,509. and the deaths have reached to 38,938. Now it is a quiz time, guys. Try to answer these questions. So the first question in front of you is, what is the name of SpaceX Crew Dragon rocket? So option A, Falcon 9, option B, Falcon 10, option C, Falcon 8, and option D, Falcon 7. So the correct answer for this is Falcon 9. Now the next question is, Shahakar Co-op Tube NCDC channel is an initiative of NDMC, NCDC, Niti Aayog, and none of the above. So the correct answer is NCDC only. Who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? A. Radha Krishna Mathur, B. Girish Chandra Murmu, C. Kiran Bedi, and D. Anil Baijal. So the correct answer for this is Girish Chandra Murmu. Radha Krishna Mathur, he is the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh. Okay. Coming to the question of the day. So today's question is very interesting. Try to answer this question, that what is a time capsule? It is in the news since past few days. Try to answer this particular question in the comment section. We will discuss everything about the time capsule in the next session. Till then you will have to stay tuned. I'll see you in the next session. Jai Hind.